something happened to you tomorrow, would your family be protected? It's a tough question, but one worth asking. Welcome to the podcast where we break down essential financial solutions to help you secure your future. Now, today, we're talking about life insurance, what it really means, why it matters more than you think, and how to make sure you've got the right coverage in place. Joining me, first up, Dianne Mohammed. Dianne, it's such a pleasure to have you here with us. Welcome, and please share with us your background with Guardian Life.
My pleasure being here today.
You're welcome.
I've been with Guardian for the past 15 years. I'm a senior sales consultant with Guardian Life.
Okay, beautiful. Well, we want to jump right into it. Tell us exactly what is life insurance and why this is so important.
Life insurance is really called love insurance. It's really an essential component that any person should have. They should be able to sit with a financial advisor. And each person is different, designing the right plan for you and your family. Sitting with an advisor, you're able to make an informed decision of what best suits your needs for you and your family.
Okay, wonderful. Now, people assume life insurance is only for those with families. Tell us, is that true?
Definitely not. Life insurance can be for both single persons as well as families. And again, the benefits of having life insurance, it can be for your estate planning, it can be as a collateral for a mortgage, it can be for so many things. So regardless of your familial status, that does not matter. It can be for both single persons as well as families.
And based on someone's ability or their knowledge of their financial background, if, for example, someone aren't accurate with their financial background per se, you can guide them in terms of what sort of life insurance they can have based on their budget.
Correct, definitely. So we sit with whether it's a family or, a single person, and we do a budget with that person. And at that point in time, it will determine what they can afford and what they can qualify for in terms of life insurance.
And could you repeat once again, you said it's not life insurance, it's
love insurance, because you are leaving this tangible asset for your loved one in the event of your untimely passing. So it really protects you and your family. It's a safety net that you're leaving for them. And, God forbid if something happens to you, you want to make sure that they are okay. Some time ago, one of my dear clients would have suffered a massive heart attack. He left his wife and 2 kids. And I remember assisting them with the death claim. And when I would have delivered that check to that family, that wife broke down and hugged me and started to cry. And she said, given her this, she had no idea how she was going to send her children to university, how she was going to even pay the bills. And her husband taking out this life insurance was unexpected. She was not aware of it. But she found the policy and she called me. And that was one of my first payouts I did in the industry. And this family, assisting them, really, really went a long way. And it's really about protecting your families, leaving something for your loved ones. That is really, really what life insurance is about. I am Dianne Mohammed. You all can contact me at 763-0070. My Facebook page is Dianne Mohammed Financial Services Limited. My Instagram is DM Finance Services, and my TikTok is Dianne Mohammed.
Dianne, thank you so much for joining us today and shedding a light on the real value and the true value of life insurance. It has been inspiring, empowering, and quite practical as well. And it's a great reminder that life insurance is really about planning with love and intention. We appreciate your time, your expertise, and we hope to have you back really soon. Thank you so much. I'm Tamara Williams.
I am Dianne Mohammed. We are Guardian Life.
I am, you are, we are Guardian Life.
Hi, my name is Safraz Ali. With me here today is my wife Sati and my beautiful daughter Anjali. On the 29th of December 2023, while I was in my kitchen doing some chores, I felt my legs start to tremble. I collapsed there, hitting my head on the cupboard. I spent approximately 10 to 12 days where I underwent tests. I did therapy at the hospital there, but they realized now that they had to do the surgery to clear the blood clot in the head. Now, after observation, it was diffused. However, it was realized now that a next blood clot could trigger off. So they stayed there and they ensured that I was all right before they sent me home. I spent 3 months paralyzed on bed, did therapy home there until I was back to myself again. I started back to work. I did some more tests as well while home to realize now that I had 3 clogged arteries. One was completely clogged, one was 80% and one was 90%. I was advised to do 2 stents after doing the angiogram test. So I did those 2 stents on the 10th of August 2024. It was successful, and to date, I am doing much better now. So my heart was functioning at 35% when I got the stroke and the first massive heart attack. It's up to about 41% now and improving daily. Before I finish here, I just want to thank my insurance agent, Dianne Mohammed, for being there for me then and still being there for me now, and to ensure that everyone have critical illness plan, because that really assisted myself and my family. I must also thank my wife and daughter for being there for me from day one, still there with me, standing strong with me, and I cannot forget them.